Hey guys, I know you clicking this video because trading is running your life. Yes, I know you're going to your dark side in forex industry, but don't give up. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to talk about the two powerful word concepts that helped me to become a profitable trader. Yeah, I know the journey is not easy. Let's go. So guys, the first thing I'll literally talk about is the vice versa rule I applied to my mind. Right. The second is what looking at trading as a business. Okay, let's look at the first one first. Just imagine you put in $200 on your trading account and you're expecting to make in $10,000. Is that possible? Or you put in $10 in your account, you want to make 200. Sorry, you put in $10,000 in your account, you want to make in $200. Is that possible? That's literally what fast and easy. Okay, so at that point, the point in my trading career where I start to look at trading as a vice versa rule, when I said, okay, cool, since I'm putting a less money of around $20, $10, I'll be consistent with making $1. I think at that point, that's why I start to appreciate myself. I start to really look at myself. That's when I start to know that okay, I know what I'm doing. What is the main problem is what is lack of capital. Okay, because if you are putting in $10, $20, you want to make in $2,000, $1,000. At that moment, you start to force out. You start to break in your rule. You start to go into the trading business. You start to go into what trading like it's not what trading. It's just like you own the market. You're trying to what pick something out from where you keep. Right? You know when you are picking something out from where you keep something, it look easy, right? So for me, that's where my mindset changed. I said, okay, for this, I'll try to find a way outside trading to really what create a business that will give me what a balance where I could be able to what to make money for myself. Okay. So guys, at that point, that's where the game start to change for me because I have more room to make mistake because I really would appreciate to what to risk less of my account and what I make less of my account according to what how much I fund. Okay, right? So most of you guys come into the trading industry, instead of trying to like focus on the skill, then maybe when you have money, you learn the skill, you know what you are doing, you go get yourself a prop firm, right? You are just coming today, you see somebody trying to what, buy two prop firm accounts. I want to trade so that if I pass my prop firm, I'll buy this and buy that. Guys, it's not possible. Yeah, it really take years. It will take you 3 years, 4 years for you to know what you are doing. But if you are coming through a mentor, I think it will be very, very easy, right? Coming into the mentor is one thing on its own. Coming into the right mentor is another thing on its own. Okay, I know the struggle is not easy, but looking at back from where you come from, right, it will make you keep going. Okay, so just understand and know this and know peace. Whenever you fund a small amount in your trading accounts, expect equal results, right? Don't try to turn your $10 towards $1,000. Guys, it's not possible, right? Imagine inputting $10,000 in an account, then at least you are making in $500. That is literally you are making, I think, maybe 5% of your account. Do that's a crazy return. Oh, that's yes, that's a crazy return, right? Every month, that's a crazy return. That's how trading work, because the market makers, all the banks, right, all the hedge funds can't just create an avenue for you to just come and make money like that. Then if it's like that, everybody will come into the forest industry because they know to make money in the forest industry it's quite easy, right? So guys, that's just it. So the moment I start to think in that way, the moment I start to look deep and say that okay, since I'm funding in a small amount of money, then I'll expect a smaller amount. So whenever I make $1 for my $10 account, I look at it, I say, wow, I just make 10% of my account. So even though I'm closing with what $1 that month, guys, I'm very, very happy because I would say if I would take that same energy to replicate it to a $10,000 account, that is roughly what $1,000. If I will replicate it to a what $100,000 account, that is roughly how much $10,000. I'm doing well for myself. Okay, in a year, that's you are generating a crazy amount in a year, right? So the moment I start to think in that way, the moment my trading start to become better. Okay, so just look at the game, look at the market, how you deposit, expect to withdraw in that level. You put small, think to what to withdraw small. Okay, this way you start to become better in your trading. You start to what have peace of mind how you trade normal, right? You will see that you eliminate a lot of things like what blowing an account. Okay, so guys, the second part of it is looking at trading as a business. Is it every day you come to your shop? Is it every day you come to your store, you sell a goose, or you sell goose the way you sell the previous day? Or is it every day that customer knock into your shop? Most entrepreneurs know this, right? Before I jump into trading, I'm a tailor, so I knew the struggle. I know sometimes a month you will not even have, maybe let's just say maybe no customer. Yes, right? So how are you going to do? So why you as a trader, you come into your chart a day, you did not look, you did not see the opportunity, you start to force out opportunity, right? Means you're not looking at trading as a business, because if you're looking at trading as a business, you don't expect clients every day. There are days where you see 5 clients coming at a spot. You will even be struggling with the ability for you to manage them in a right or what the appropriate manner, right? But the moment customer don't come in the next day, you start to become worried. That's not how trading work. Some days you not see opportunity, some days you see one. Some week you may literally not even see opportunity. Just accept that fact and just move on. Guys, the moment I start to accept things like this, my growth change in trading. Right? In fact, before starting the week, I start to tell myself I'm okay with seeing 2 trade a week. Right? Now I have a mindset of giving myself low expectation. If I see a high expectation, I'll be very, very happy and excited. But if I see something low, I can manage it psychologically. Why? Because that's what I've really will start to wish myself at the beginning of the week. Okay, you can see now people don't understand the power of negativity in trading, how it work, right? Negativity is something when you start to think negative, it helps you in trading. Let me not sorry for debating, right? For example, in a level of taking a trade, imagine looking the trade as a loss, right? Even that trade is coming close to your SL, you will never close the position. Why? Because you really want to accept the loss. Okay? Imagine that kind of trade will likely even turn out to become a very big profit. Why? Because it's just coming to try to manipulate a lot or take out a lot of liquidity before it make the big move. Okay? So guys, this is how trading works. This is how you need to manage your trading and become profitable as a trader. So guys, meet you in another video, guys.